So how can you make a free 360 degree video for Google My Business? So as you can see here, I've got a 360 degree Google My Business in my office. If you're a larger company, then you may want to go about this with a professional way, but there is a free way to do this. And this is one of the last things that I've managed to find to do for free to implement on Google My Business account. So stay with me and I'll show you exactly how you can do it for absolutely 0 pence. Hi, I'm Zane from Zanet Design, and I help businesses like yours grow on the internet, and I try and use my 20 years of experience to benefit you and to help you. Now, one of the questions I often get asked is, how do you go about getting the 360 degree video or photo of your business? It's one of those things that appears stands there with all the other photos, and yet something that really is difficult to do something about. If you click on photos, for example, you'll see that there is a section for 360 degree. So how do I get this? How do I get this 360 degree photo or video added for absolutely nothing? Well, if you apply through the normal means, through here you'll see that you can get a free quote, which I've inquired for. But when you start to look at the costs of the quotes, you'll find that they're around about, for something like this, which is very nice, and again, if you've got perhaps a larger business, then this would make absolute sense. But for someone with a smaller business, then it probably makes very little sense to spend around £500 to have this done. So that's one way to do it, and obviously if you can afford that and that's your budget, then that would make perfect sense. But just to go back to here, you'll notice it does also mention now, and they never used to mention this, but there is also the 360 degree imagery that you can use from Street View app. And if you click on the Street View app, you'll see that you can either do it through the app, or you can actually purchase various add-ons to do it too. So from about $500 to a few $1,000s, you can actually use this as a bolt-on to a Street View app. But you can still do it for absolutely nothing. So I'm going to show you how to add for free the 360 degree video that I've got there for my Google business. So let's just take a look then at this screenshot. So this is a screenshot of my phone, and I went to Google Play and downloaded Street View. So you can download that from the Apple Store or the Play Store. So once you've got that, then you'll find then if you click into it, it just brings up a map of the world where you can explore, and you want to click this area here, which is the photo, and this now gives you the ability to now choose here. So you can use external devices, which is what we saw earlier, but you can also just take a photo sphere. So if you click that button there, and then you'll find this screen comes up where it says to point the camera at the dot. And all you do is you just follow this circle with the dot. It's really simple, it's intuitive, but every time that the orange dot moves, you just follow it around. And within probably about 1 minute, you then have taken enough photos to make a virtual world of your office or room. So this is exactly what it does. It produces this. And at the end of it, it just asks, what company are you taking this video of? And you can then put on there what the company is. If it knows you, so it knows Zanet Design Limited, it then says, would you like to upload it? And as soon as you've confirmed that you're the owner, you then upload it, and then it appears in your section here. So now people can go and visit, and they can see a virtual tour of my office. So hopefully that's been useful to you to see how you can add a 360 degree video to your website, and that will continue again to provide your customers with a better involvement with your business, and maybe Google even rates you slightly higher if you have the 360 degree added to your photo section. Hopefully that's been useful. As always, please subscribe, click the notify button or the bell, and that will tell you when the next video gets updated. If you like what I'm doing, then give it a like. If you're not so keen, then tell me in the comments below exactly what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.